What's going on, you guys? It's George. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the unboxing of the April Glossy Box. Glossy Box is a subscription service that goes for $17.50 a month, depending on, how many items you like in your subscription service. They have luxury goods, you guys. It's not just any skincare products or beauty products. They have great stuff, and they're not disappointing. I know there's a lot of beauty and skincare brands doing like subscription services these days, but in all honesty, Glossy Box really sticks out to me, which is why we're continuing our relationship. No, this video is not sponsored, nor am I an affiliate of Glossy Box. They're just kind enough to actually send me their packages to check out monthly, which is super exciting, and I'm extremely grateful. So that's basically what's in store for today's video. If you're interested, then keep on watching. I'm gonna try my best not to drag out this unboxing, guys, so let's get to it. There's a little tab here where you could actually pull to open this, and I never have the best luck, so let's see. Oh, you see that? I actually got it. By the way, guys, I'm not sure if you noticed this, but I have a bit of a different hairstyle going on. I got a haircut that was much needed, and I kind of wanted different vibes for spring, summer 2021, so this is just a taste of it. I also got a tattoo, which you will see in my latest vlog. It's probably out right now, so check that out. I'll link it up here in this part, but there we have the Glossy Box and an advertisement for Geico. I've had them before, but I'm with that girl from Progressive now. What's her name again? Flo. That's her name, Flo. All right, so we have the Glossy Box right here. It's looking very pink. It's looking very supple. It's looking very plush. We're loving this. I'm liking this pink moment that Glossy Box provides every single month. So we open that up, and there we have it. So the theme is woke up in spring, which I'm loving because, guys, spring is probably my third favorite season out of 4. I don't know. I appreciate all of them. I live in Pennsylvania, so we have we experience it all here. I'm gonna open this up. Loving that. And woke up in spring. Basically, this right here is going to provide you with what is in this box, how much it's valued for, and basically all the do's, the don'ts, the needs, and everything you need to know. So we got 5 pieces here. Just glancing at it briefly, I don't think I'm familiar with any of these brands, which is one thing that I love about Glossy Box. Typically, there's brands in here that I've either heard of, never tried their products, or I've never heard of, and I was blessed enough to try them. So I think that's what I'm experiencing this month. All right, we're gonna open this up. Oh gosh. There we have you guys. From what it looks like to me, there's more makeup this time around than skincare. So basically, Glossy Box is a fusion between beauty products and skincare products. Some people might think they're the same, but beauty products typically are makeup-oriented products. So yeah, I already see something right here. This is definitely a nail polish. I experimented doing my nails back in 2020, and it's so much fun. I actually got gel nails before, and it was a really cool experience just to have like nails. And doing your own nails is a different story. I mean, as long as you're qualified and capable, might as well do it yourself. So this is by NCLA Los Angeles. Never heard, but then again, I'm fairly new within the nail community. And it says NCLA Beauty. This is the full size. We're off to Never Neverland. So I think it's kind of like the theme of that. Oh, it's a spring color. And this goes for $16. 16 bucks for a nail polish. That's kind of crazy. The color though, you guys. All right, so I love the color lavender and plum, and I feel like this is a great in between for both of them. It's very springy. FYI, Glossy Box actually provides products in here that retail for a pretty nice amount. So when you hit that $17.50 per month as the starting price, you might think like, oh, really? But honestly, the products that come in here retail for way more than that monthly price. And plus you get surprised. It's pretty cool. So one piece down. Next up here, we have a nourishing mascara. So again, guys, another makeup product. Volumizing mascara enriched with almond oil and camellia oil. Cool. So it's like a healthy mascara, I suppose. Alrighty, so this is by Beautinique Beauty. Never heard of them, but this goes for $19.90. That's definitely a hefty price for a mascara, so pretty cool. Looks like it's cruelty-free, vegan, no parabens or any of that nasty stuff, no mineral oils. Very nice. I'm not too familiar with mascara, but Jeffree Star's new one looks really sick, not gonna lie. This is very cool. Alrighty, so I'm all about, you know, keeping things nourished. Whoa, that is very black. Okay, I will be giving this to one of my best friends or one of my sisters. So great product here. Thank you so much. Next up, we have Cargo Cosmetics Swimmables Long Wear Eyeshadow Stick. An eyeshadow stick. Yeah, I don't wear eyeshadow, but let's see how beautiful this is. I am so sorry, Glossy Box. Makeup is, you know, I'm very basic. I still have yet to dive into the makeup community. An eyeshadow stick. I've never seen an eyeshadow stick before. Ooh, that's a cool color. What is that? It's like not the same color as this. It's a little bit more like mauve. Mauve. Oh my god, that's a color you don't really hear about too often. Oh! Oh my god. Should I do it? Should we try to have a makeup moment? No, I'm not gonna do it, you guys. I'm not gonna do it. I have to go to the post office after this. I don't want to scare anyone. I was gonna say let me just dabble in that really quick, but I have things to do today, so I cannot. Alrighty, so next up we have this. This is really cool. There's some shimmers going on in there. Looks like a party in a bag. So this is actually not on the list right here. I'm not lying. This is a little gift from Glossy. Thank you so much. I like how it says, "Hey Glossies, Gossip Girl here." Very cool. Very cool. I don't wear shimmer. You know what? Maybe if like festivals were back in, like I used to be huge into going to festivals. I went to Firefly many times. Electric Zoo in Manhattan. I went to Ultra in Miami. Yeah, maybe then I would wear shimmers, you know, for a festival moment. But, you know, right now in quarantine, I'm just, you know, being me. Next up, guys, we have Beauty on the Go, limited edition, a Skin Research Laboratories mini kit. So this is definitely by a brand I'm not familiar with. They actually do go by Skin Research Laboratories. Very cool. This goes for $74. Okay, that's kind of insane. 74 bucks. That is really cool. What do we have in here? We have enhance your beauty wherever you go with this tiny yet mighty trio of products, including mini-sized versions of best-selling for lashes, brows, and skin. Enjoy these formulas and never slow down, never stop moving, and never stop beautifying. Alrighty. So I'm assuming this is apply to the brow line for each morning and evening. Okay, oh yeah, so this is basically something that it looks like enhances your brows and eyelashes, and it's a serum. So from what it sounds like, it helps you grow lashes, brows, and I love that because you know what, I could definitely use some more eyelashes. Cool. Appreciate that. 74 bucks. That's insane. That is crazy. Alrighty, so we have Be Calm, and this is a relax your mind with this good patch. Menthol. When tense, the use of menthol has been known to temporarily relieve minor aches and pains of muscles and joints. So it looks like this is something that contains 5 milligrams of hemp and menthol. Hemp is similar to CBD, not quite CBD, no THC, but I did read a bit about this because I'm very into wellness on this channel. If you didn't know that, now you know. Please subscribe if you like wellness products. I talk about a lot of them. So this is by Be Calm, the Good Patch, Be Calm. Cool. Never heard of them, so very excited to try this out. If you actually want to see me do like a dedicated review for any of these pieces I'm talking about today, sound off in the comment section down below, but this is pretty cool. It's for aches, pains, relieving, and I love that, especially because I'm always typing on my computer, editing, and I have my phone attached to my hands all the time. It's crazy. So cool. We actually have one more product, you guys, just one more in the box. And this is actually how it's presented in this box. I always say it reminds me of Victoria's Secrets because of the black and the pink. But really cool. And that's the Glossy Box logo you'll see on the sides. Anywho, it looks like there is this French pink clay peel off mask pore clearing by Freeman. Alrighty, I've definitely heard of Freeman before. You see them a lot in like CVS, Rite Aid, or at least you used to. I'm not sure if they're sold at any type of like Ulta or Sephora places. Probably not, but globally sourced France single origin clay. I'm not familiar with pink clay, but I love anything Parisian and French, so 𝗦𝗢𝗖𝗵𝗁𝗧. I'm very excited about this. Boost your skincare routine with the peel off mask. French pink clay removes impurities and detoxifies pores, leaving a smooth and glowing complexion. Perfect for normal and combination skin. You guys, I'm having a moment right now with the zits, so I can most definitely use something like this. I don't know what's going on. I'm trying a lot of new skincare products right now, plus we're going in between, like, you know, seasons and the weather's cranky AF here in PA. So I'm going through the gigs, and this hopefully will help me out. I've never seen anybody review this, or I've never even seen this in person. Oh, it really is pink. I'm gonna try this out. Smooths skin for glowing complexion. I could always use a nice little glow. You guys, that's a wrap for this Glossy Box experience. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I'm very excited to give these products a go. The makeup ones, not so much, but I will definitely be using this nail polish because that color is sick. Do not forget to check out Glossy Box. I'm leave all their information in the description down below. glossybox.com. Very simple, very easy. Check them out. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel. That'd be much appreciated. Goes a long way. Share this video and share the love. Also, please do not forget to click the notification bell. That is very important. If you don't click that bell, it means you're not gonna be notified whenever I upload a new video. So click the bell, please. My personal Instagram is right here at 𝗏𝗏𝗧𝗏 if you want to follow that as well. But until next time, and as always, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.